Okay, we are going to do a quick video on how to change the battery in a Harley-Davidson key fob. So first step is get her open. You just take a screwdriver or a butter knife, pop it in and twist it. There's our battery. They take CR2032. Get a battery out here. It's really in there. There we go. Then we just pop it right on out. Pop the new one back in. Line her up. Pop it back together. There you have it. Let's see if it works. There we go. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.